Do you find it difficult to understand native English speakers? Do you want to learn more and have more opportunities in life? It depends only on you. I'm Canadian, and I'm gonna help you with your pronunciation and your vocabulary. In exchange, send this video to your friends. This will help them, and it will help you to spread the word. Remember, it's only you who can do this. Stick out here and you're gonna learn. Welcome to another video. Begin this video by liking and subscribing. This way you receive more videos. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Here you have a text to practice your accent and to sound more like a native speaker. Now, the article.
The world's best drone racer.
Hi, I'm Rudy Browning. I'm 15 years old and I'm a professional drone racer from Brisbane. Drone racing is essentially racing and building drones. I've got a soldering iron and a workshop at home. I've also got a local park near me which I'm often training and building and fixing and racing, so yeah, it's heaps of fun and I really enjoy it. I qualified for the FAI World Championships in Shenzhen based on an event that I went to in Sydney. I placed highly in that event, qualifying me for the race in China.
We've got the yellow drone of Australia out at the front, the red drone of Latvia in second place, through the bridge is second.
The race in China had over 127 competitors from 34 different countries, so there was some brutal competition, and yeah, I'm super happy to have taken away the win.
Australia for the 2018 championship, he's going to take it, and he does take it, ladies and gentlemen, Australia.
When I crossed the line in first place, I was just so overwhelmed and so happy. So much work and dedication has gone into this racing. I've had a lot of bad luck, and I feel like that bad luck has made this win even sweeter.
So Rudy Browning, the champion.
Back home, my parents and a bunch of other friends were watching the live stream on a big TV, and apparently it was pretty intense, so yeah, everyone's super happy, and yeah, a really good result. Drone racing is great for kids from all ages. It's good for it's a good family environment, it's a good community, and it's really fun. In order to start drone racing, you need a controller. That's what's got the two joysticks, and that's how you control it. You also need a pair of virtual reality goggles, also known as FPV goggles for first-person view. That way you can see the camera and what's happening on the drone live and pretty much zero latency, which is amazing. And there's heaps of Facebook forums and groups and lots of YouTube videos on how to get into it, and yeah, it's really accessible because the internet's got heaps of information, and yeah, people are always welcome to help you out.
Team Australia stepped.
So Team Australia also came first in the team racing event. Korea was some fierce competition. I knew it would be close. I'm just so happy to have won, and I'm so happy it ended the way it did. There's a series called DCL, the Drone Championships League. There's 16 races in 8 different countries all around the world, starting in Switzerland, so that's very exciting. Team FPVR and Australia will be representing. It should be a really exciting next year, and I can't wait to continue with it and see what the future has to hold.
Remember to go to the description. There you have links to Canadian companies searching for employees outside of Canada. Enjoy it. Now, some difficult words.
Drone, an aircraft that does not have a pilot but is controlled by someone on the ground, used especially for dropping bombs or for surveillance, equals careful watching of a place. Soldering a soft metal that is melted in order to join together pieces of metal so that they stick together when it cools and becomes hard again. Park a large area of land with grass and trees, usually surrounded by fences or walls, and specially arranged so that people can walk in it for pleasure or children can play in it. Sweeter, especially of food or drink, having a taste similar to that of sugar, not bitter or salty. Bunch a number of things of the same type fastened together in a close group. Goggles, special glasses that fit close to the face to protect the eyes from chemicals, wind, water, etc.
Latency, the fact of being present but needing particular conditions to become active, obvious, or completely developed. Peeps a lot.
IELTS exercise. 1. Rudy is a professional drone racer. True. 2. The FI World Championships were in China. True. 3. Competitors from 127 different countries took part. False. 4. Australia's drone is red. False. 5. Rudy's parents were with him in China for the race. False. 6. Kids of all ages can do drone racing. True. 7. Team Australia came second in the team event. False. 8. Next year, Team Australia are going to race in Switzerland. True. 1. Rudy builds, fixes and races drones. 2. When he crossed the line in first place, Rudy was overwhelmed and happy. 3. He has put a lot of work and dedication into racing. 4. To control the drone, you need a controller with 2 joysticks. 5. You need a pair of virtual reality goggles to see the view from the camera on the front of the drone. 6. There's a lot of information about drone racing on the internet.
Remember, in the description, you have a link to reach us. You have links for Canadian companies searching for employees outside of Canada. Leave your comments about this video. This way I could know what you like and what I can do better to help you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.